Fáilte Cardja. We're launching our Clár today, and this is to let you know that we are back open. We're fully functioning. We have all of our safety measures in place in regards to COVID, and let you know that we now have a new audio tour which is free to the citizens of Belfast. So, Bula Jack. We're delighted to welcome our new cafe partners, James, and they have a full range of tidbits, sandwiches. Come on down. We also have a new addition to our library here and a few additions to our historic collection. So Bula Jack, Támuid an Seoga Foil, Támuid Oscailte, agus Bhhailin Dini, Teachtas Jack, agus Salta Winch as a nature. Garmod.
We're delighted to be launching our brand new James Connolly Heritage Trail on the 20th of July. This trail will take you on a tour of the city, exploring the sites that are most historically significant to James Connolly's time in Belfast. Using our innovative augmented reality app, we'll be able to bring his story here to life. Tours will be available from the 5th to the 15th of August throughout the Fela and Phobal Festival.
Tá go leor rudí samhraidh ag tarlú mar chuid de Clár an tSamhraidh and Shaw in Áras Connolly. We've loads of exciting events coming up this year as part of our summer programme here in Áras Connolly. We start off with a talk with Professor Lauren Arrington on Constance Markievicz and her work as an aristocrat, as an activist and as a revolutionary. This year's annual James Connolly Lecture, as a flagship event with Fela and Phobal, will be delivered by Roz Foyer, the head of the Scottish Trade Unions Council, where she'll be speaking about James Connolly and about the importance of trade unionism here in the 21st century. Pat McGee will also be launching his book Where Grieving Begins with Tim O'Grady as chairperson as part of our Fela and Phobal events this year. All of the events as part of Clár an tSamhraidh, our summer programme, will be available to watch at rscconnolly.com and our virtual events library.